Yeah, this is me. Remember those stupid videos you see? Hey, who's that guy from New Jersey that does it? That's me.
Yeah, Radio Wild.
Yep.
That's Mom.
We got t-shirts.
Yeah.
Got hats. That's another t-shirt. We've got pens and markers. We got big poker chips.
Yep.
More t-shirts. And then tickets. And hand sanitizer. We got all the necessary evils right here.
You get the oil radio sticker.
Oh, absolutely. Now, if you had come here, you've had the opportunity to get these wonderful, I actually got one of these yesterday, they're magnets.
Yeah.
So if you kind of piece everything together, it says old radio.
Yep.
Okay, like the old TV show Concentration, where you flip the things around. And a map of the galaxy?
Map of the galaxy.
Yeah, I had a few of them come by my table before. Yeah, I know what you're talking about.
Okay.
So this is, and you came from, and it just shows a picture of the country and where you came from. So you notice that all these pins are kind of like in the Northeast. Like I would be somewhere in between this green pin and this beige pin. I'd be somewhere in between, but I can't fit in there now. I'm too fat. Oh, wait a minute. I've almost forgot about this. This is the raffle radio, right?
Raffle radio.
Oh, that is stunning. Very nice. That is stunning. Don't mind me.
Pin headphones.
Yeah. Turn that thing around so I can.
It's called the Radio Junior.
1-tube radio. And it works.
Well, it should. I mean, look how the cord is even flexible.
Yeah.
So it's probably not that, messed up.
Yeah, it's definitely a curtain burner.
Yeah.
It's cool though.
I have no idea. I guess you tune it's got a variable cap in there. If you look inside, you can see it moving. Well, you can't see it like that.
It's a little tough.
Yeah, but what I'm saying is if you look inside, it's got a variable cap. And so I don't know why you got 3 tuning. Maybe that's volume. I don't know. That could be volume. And I don't know what that is. But I got to look it up.
Maybe if you Google it.
I never saw
figure it
one.
out.
I never saw one.
Yeah. Neither have I. I mean, it's in a real nice cabinet too. A little black wrinkle finish.
Yeah, and it's got
it's a little Art Deco. Yeah.
So it's pretty cool.
It's neat.
I might have overpaid for it.
Okay. Oh, I got a shirt from Rudy. I figured I'd go with the Emerson.
Thanks, Bob.
The Emersons are cool. Hey, thank you, Rudy. Take care.
You're welcome. You too. Have a good day.
Say John, okay. Now John's got this transoceanic, and we don't know if it works or not. So what I've done is I walked back to my car and gotten my battery pack, and we're going to actually hook this guy up. So for the A side, we've got 4.5 volt D batteries. That makes up the 9 or the A voltage. Then right here, these are 3 packs of 20 double A's each for the 90. All right, so I had this in a transoceanic this morning, so we're going to put this in John's radio and see if it works. Yeah, this could get ugly real quick.
I don't want it to get ugly.
So we don't want it to be, yeah, we don't want it to get ugly.
My first marriage went ugly pretty quick.
Okay, so now we've got that in place. Let's get this all lined up. There we go. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, now that's all in. All right, John, do the honor.
Plugging it in?
Plug it in. And it might take a little pressure, but that spins a spring-loaded switch. There it goes. All right, now let's. Okay, go ahead and do the honor. Put it on broadcast and see what happens. Oh. All right, let me make sure we got good connection back here.
Off. Oh.
It's dead.
Well, I have my tube test so I can test the tubes.
Oh, I heard something. Did you hear that?
Yes.
Why slide that in? So I would think that one of the tubes, the 3V4 is probably good. So probably one of the other tubes. You're on broadcast anyway, so it should work. Okay. Wah, 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 wah. She just arrived. I haven't seen her yet, but she's probably buying food right now.
You're not required to do the Pledge of Allegiance. So, Kristen was singing the national anthem. Richard, I just wanted to say, they're not required to love it for the Pledge of Allegiance. Well, that's wrong. But anyway, I'm thinking back these protests, and I'm looking back in the day, back in my day, okay?
over there.